Burano is one of the must-see destinations if you are on holiday in Venice. Venice is indeed a splendid destination with so much to see and do, but it can get very crowded at times. So a more quiet and tranquil destination such as Burano is a must in your itinerary. To go to Burano, the island of colors, you have to take the motorboat Line 12. In Venice, these boats are known as the Vaporetto. The journey takes about 45 minutes from Venice, with the first stop in Murano and then a next one in Torcello. The last stop would then be in Burano. Once disembarked at Burano, you can immediately start walking along the alleys and observe how the brightly painted square houses are all the same size, on 2 floors. Characteristic houses of fishermen painted their own house to recognize it in days of intense fog after returning from fishing. One hypothesis says that each color would be a symbol of a specific family, and in fact, still today in Burano, there are few but very common surnames. Currently, fishing remains one of the main activities on the island of Burano, together with tourism and that of lace making. While walking along the beautifully colored streets of Burano, I suggest you stop and taste the typical sweet of the island known as Bossola. Its origin is linked to Easter, the day when the inhabitants of Burano wrap this fragrant freshly baked delight in linen, and the pleasant fragrance of butter spread throughout the house and the streets. Even today, can be tasted, as normal, in the small artisanal bakeries. The art of lace making developed in Venice in the Renaissance. The merit of having encouraged and disseminated the knowledge of this art is due to the Duchess Morosina Morosini, who established the first true and own workshop employing 130 lace makers. The secret of Burano is to get lost inside its streets and discover the most characteristic corners. The island is not big. In about 2 to 3 hours, you will have seen it all, and all Burano's worth seeing. The island's cathedral has over 1,000 years of history and is famous for its leaning bell tower. The bell tower is 53 meters high and built in the Renaissance style. It tilted due to subsidence of the ground. The right time to see Burano is in the early morning or late afternoon, when most of the organized groups have left. It is in this moment that Burano reveals its magic, at the first light, at dawn and at sunset. A real color gem to be experienced in complete silence.